ChatGPT-5 is here and it rocks. Hi, my name is Jason Piddock, and in this video, I'm going to break down 5 simple SEO use cases for enabling ChatGPT-5 for your SEO and your content as a small business owner or as a small website so that you can improve your organic visibility and drive more traffic to your website. But before we do, I just want to share with you why I believe ChatGPT-5 is so much better than its legacy version. Reason number 1, you don't need to now flick between the different models. It makes it so much easier for lighter users or people who are just starting out using AI to kind of navigate directly with one interface and not flick between the different models. And I think that is going to facilitate user experience and most importantly, adoption. Number 2 is improved reasoning capabilities. ChatGPT-5 is so much more accurate. The database has been improved. We have a lot better reasoning capabilities, and we are seeing that the results that it's producing are so much better than its legacy version. And number 3 is I'm seeing a reduction in hallucinations. Now, this might not be consistent in every single engagement that you have with ChatGPT-5. Personally, in my case, I am seeing an improvement in less hallucinations and randomness. So overall, I'm really excited with ChatGPT-5. So let's get back to the SEO use cases. The first use case of ChatGPT-5 for SEO is content clustering and organizing your keywords by intent. Now, I'm using this with my clients and on my own websites, but primarily I am putting in large volumes of data into ChatGPT-5 and asking it to group them by semantic clusters. That means topics that are similar, starting to group them and organizing them by intent. Organizing these keywords by intent will help you look at what types of keywords you want to target. Now, we've seen in the last 6 months as AI search has become more and more of a leading factor in the search user experience, that transactional commercial keywords do a lot better than informational and navigational keywords because people are searching things and are already satisfied with the results they find in the search engines in the AI generated response. So targeting transactional and commercial keywords might be a better option for your website or your content strategy. So the first use case is taking huge data dumps of search keywords or target keywords and organizing them by volume, intent, keyword difficulty, and most importantly, grouping them semantically so you then know what topics or what clusters you want to go after. The second SEO use case for ChatGPT-5, which for me is so good for driving efficiencies into your content production, is analyzing your draft content. So whether it's a Google Doc or a Word doc, and identifying gaps in your content in comparison to the top 3 results in the search engines. Now, it will identify gaps in your titles, it will identify gaps in your paragraphs, it will look at keyword density, and it will even look at best practices for your title tags and your metadata. So getting your draft content uploaded to ChatGPT-5 using the right prompt frameworks, which by the way, I will link a bunch of resources in the description of this video so you can find them. And it will spit out recommendations, SERP, you might say SERP optimized recommendations, so that your content will fulfill the search result to the best of its ability, but most importantly, compete with the other organic results. So I think that's a really powerful use case that you can immediately implement and you can use as a QA process when you're trying to outrank your competitors' organic results. ChatGPT-5 SEO use case number 3, analysis. Data analysis is a huge part of what we do as SEO consultants or SEO professionals. And whether you are looking at your analytics or your search console, understanding, interpreting that data can often get overwhelming. And it is as simple as asking ChatGPT-5 to look at the data and give you conclusions. You're going to say, what type of conclusions do you want to know? How about seasonal behavior of organic search? How about traffic trends based on different dates or seasonality? CTR fluctuations, which will help you understand why people are clicking through to a result versus another. This type of usage is really going to help you save time, document conclusions, and make decisions faster. It will help you optimize your content, understand where there are gaps, look at what trends or fluctuations are affecting your site performance, and most importantly, what you need to do to move the needle on your organic visibility. Using ChatGPT-5 as your SEO data analyst is a really, really efficient and powerful tool. So use it because it has the capability to give you very, very in-depth response and analysis as to what is going on in Google Search Console and analytics so you can make more informed decisions. Use case number 4 of how you can use ChatGPT-5 for your SEO to accelerate your visibility, improve efficiencies, and drive more traffic to your website. So technical SEO takes time, and often part of what we do here for our customers and our own websites is we are looking at reports, we are providing recommendations, we are doing implementations on the websites that we see errors or issues. And ChatGPT-5 can really help you with this. It can help you look at call reports, look at 401 errors, 301, 302s. It can look at cannibalization of content. It can look at duplicate content. It can look at indexation problems. All of these reports, ChatGPT-5 can quickly digest and spit out immediately exactly what you should do. I see a lot of users, again, signing up to expensive platforms and services and software and not knowing exactly what they should do with them. Plug ChatGPT-5 into something like a SEMrush report and see what it can do for you. It can immediately spit out a nice tailored report of exactly the steps that you should take to make the optimizations on your website so that your SEO is working and functional 100%. So you can get more organic visibility, maintain your core web vitals, and continue your organic visibility journey to bring more website users to your site and hopefully more opportunity. Use case number 5, the last use case of today of how you can use ChatGPT-5 for SEO is content creation. Content creation is a massive part of what we do, and without content there is no vehicle for SEO. And I do believe that as AI search becomes more and more predominant and we see more and more traffic coming from AI LLMs and traditional search, but AI LLMs, I do believe that content is still going to be a primary player for your SEO strategy. But the question is quality content, and content that aligns with your user, aligns with their voice, aligns with what they want to hear, what they want to read, and most importantly, aligns with your buyer journey. Fluffy content, bad content, content that doesn't really provide anything unique, anything genuine, doesn't comply with EAT, which stands for experience, expertise, authority, and trust. This type of thin content isn't going to do well. So you need to create in-depth, valuable, well-structured, and optimized content to maintain visibility in the SERPs and in the AI LLMs. This is where ChatGPT-5 can help you. As you said at the beginning, it can help you look for opportunity. It can help you cluster your content. It can also now at this stage help you build an outline. If you give it, for example, a nice case study template, it can build a case study around a recent product or service you sold to a customer and they've had a good experience, you want to build a case study, ChatGPT-5 can help you do that. From the outline, it can give you a series of bullet points or key areas that you need to cover, and it can help you structure your content. So when you send it off to your content production team, you've given them the necessary pointers and guiding them in the right direction to create a nice piece of content. Now, don't depend 100% on creating content with ChatGPT-5. Make sure you maintain your voice. Make sure you understand how you can adopt and scale and win with AI for SEO. We've got a bunch of free resources in the description below. And most importantly, don't depend on ChatGPT-5 for your creativity. Find ideas, think about concepts that you want to bring into the market, come up with genuine insights that will then drive value into the market and will drive value into the search engines and into the AI and LM, so that you as a content creator can become recognized in your niche or in your space for the topic that you want to be relevant for. And that is the end of the 5 SEO use cases for ChatGPT. And ChatGPT-5 is so powerful. So go out there, test it. If you're interested in any of our free resources, just click the link below. I'll leave a bunch of free resources. There's free training, there's free prompt libraries, there's exclusion lists, there's everything you need there to get you started on your AI for SEO journey. So if you're interested in more videos or content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and make sure to drop me a comment if there's something you would like me to create content on. Till next time, I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.